What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PayPal issue we are having trouble with this transaction. So let's get started. So first, you need to head over to the PayPal's website and then log in with your PayPal account. And then you just need to go to your bank account details or your card details that you have entered in your PayPal. And then you need to double check or just simply scan it and check it that all the details are accurate and up to date because sometimes due to false information or false details this may lead to transaction failures. So make sure that you have entered all the correct details and they are active and accurate according to the latest updates, and make sure that your bank accounts are also active and accurate. And if you still face the problem, you can just simply go to this help section of PayPal, and after that you can just type in your help or the questions that you have. As you can see in my payments help, here are the multiple frequently asked questions. So whatever issue you have, you can choose and then click on it. And then this will show you a particular answered article so that you can just read it and you can follow the steps to solve this issue. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.